Hey guys, today I'm going to make sure that my e-bike still works, that still functions. I'm going to do some riding footage. Go out with my friend Rafa. Let's go. You like the suit, by the way? I just felt like wearing it today. Alright, let's go. So right now it does look like the e-bike's working. Yeah, it does seem to be working. I need to test that because I'm not sure. To get the e-bike out of here. So let me see the camera angle. It's not the worst camera angle, but it's not great. Hey, what's good? Let's see. Still trying to figure out a GoPro mounting solution. It's not the best, but it's just trying to clip it onto my helmet. Okay, coming. Looks like it rained not long ago. Man, whatever setup is, it works. Huh? Yeah.
Somebody sees a car and the other person doesn't, or no matter, even if the other person does, we always scream car.
Yeah. Oh I should probably put my phone in my normal pocket. It's not great. Oh shoot. I'm slow. It's good. Put it in my normal pocket. Everything seems to be working right now, but I uploaded a video. The motor was bugging out, was going like on. It was like on and off, giving me error 7 again. That happens a lot with this bike. I don't know why, but I don't know. It's kind of stupid. I really hope my GoPro doesn't fall off. Where? Okay, I see. Hey there. Trying to learn to wheelie. Although it's not that easy to wheelie, this bike. It has like no torque. Well, that wasn't that bad. I have bad cough. So the GoPro fell off of my helmet. I know I don't have the best mounting solution, but the video is fine. Luckily, I thought I lost it, but it's fine. Dude, I was so scared. I thought I like broke my GoPro, but it's working fine. Nothing happened. I don't know. There might be a couple scrapes, but I don't really care. It's a bit old, anyways. Bro, this GoPro. Maybe I shouldn't be wheeling with this crappy setup. Now it's stronger, I think.
Never mind, actually.
What?
Never mind.
Okay. Is this a sign that I need to get like an actual helmet mount? Bro, my GoPro fell off 2 times today. I think this is a sign I need to get a new helmet mount. Yeah, I'm not gonna try any more wheelies on this. I'm not gonna try any more wheelies on it because I don't trust it anymore. Although, for some reason, I am gonna jump the bike off of that little, you know, the jump? I'm gonna go off of it. Huh? For a second, I couldn't hear you. What'd you say?
I basically did like a wheelie that was like. So I got like full rotation. I did the same thing while I was like this. It was crazy.
Crazy.
Like this one.
Yeah, if you're gonna get an e-bike, don't get a GT73. It's not. I'm finna swerve in a corner of. Na, 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 na. Show me, buddy. Nice. Nice. Yo, I'm actually able to get perfect shots on my e-bike like this. Wait, what's your channel name again?
All lowercase, no capitals, Rafa Bikes.
Alright, yo, go subscribe to Rafa Bikes.
RAPHA.
Subscribe to Rafa Bikes, he's the GOAT. Yeah, he's trying to build his channel too.
I have like 8 subscribers, but I'm trying.
Yeah, I have like, I don't know, 90 subscribers, not a lot, but I'm trying to grow too. I haven't been able to film a lot of videos.
Much content, but I don't film a lot, so.
Yeah, I do more shorts because I don't really have like, I need to get like a proper GoPro mount for my helmet. That was a good point in the video to tell you about my link tree. On my link tree, you can find links to my YouTube. You can buy e-bike parts, mountain bike parts, a ton of stuff. You can buy e-bikes in themselves, and every buy gives me a little commission money to help the channel grow and get better quality videos. You can also buy other products. So if you want to support me, the link's in the description. Now back to the video. Hey, Rafa. What? Yeah, I'll record your drift. 1 second, let me get down. 1 second, let me get down and then I'll get better footage. Yeah. Nice. Nice. You know, I'm able to do some of that too. I saw that. There's a car right away. Holy shit. The bike's been working fine. I think it might have just been bugging out yesterday when I was riding. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, stay tuned. I'll be trying to make more videos like this. It's been a bit hard because I don't have like great equipment for it, but I've been trying to save up to buy a better helmet mount. Thanks for watching.